Hello and welcome to the course on comprehensive data visualization with Matplotlib in Python. Needless to say, Python is one of the most popular programming languages on the planet right now, and so is the opportunity associated with it. Although Python is a general purpose programming language, but still, with the help of specific library or modules, it can perform pretty well in that particular niche. Matplotlib is one of the most popular and the powerful libraries for data visualization. Although it is a third-party library, but eventually, because of its application, treated as part of Python packages. Matplotlib has enormous functions that can cater to a wide range of applications. Many developers, students, professionals, and hobbyists uses Matplotlib package in Python for their day-to-day activities such as big data visualization, machine learning, data science, classification, and list goes on and on and on. In this course, you will learn to plot data on multiple plots such as scatter plot, XY plot, pie chart, stack chart, and several others. To make this course interesting, I have also included audio data analysis, time series data visualization from Yahoo Finance, as well as bit of reading images, playing with coloring schemes, right? So overall, this is a power-packed course with all the necessary information required to get you industry ready on data visualization. I will also keep on updating this course as and when required so that you will always be updated with the latest information regarding Matplotlib. After finishing this course, you will be able to visualize and analyze any kind of data available to you and get the meaningful information out of it. Make sure to check out the next video about course curriculum, where you will be understanding about the complete course content within 5 minutes and then decide whether this course is suitable for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next section.